what's up guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. You guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. I am reviewing this 18-inch human hair wig from Legendhair store on Amazon. You guys, look at this quality. It is so silky. I absolutely love it. But about this wig, this is a V wig, a V part wig. So I'm kind of not showing the top, so like right here you guys see it is a V part, so there is a opening right here. I just kind of put it together and clipped it because I'm not going to do leave out. I'm just showing you guys the review. But for those of you that would style it, you guys, this right here would be covered, so you guys would take a piece of your hair out, cover on this side and cover on that side, and it would cover up this V part if you wanted to leave out. Now if you're somebody like me that likes a wig that's very simple and you don't want to do leave out or anything like that, you guys are able to take a piece like this out and maybe a little bit big piece and cover it like that and like comb it over and stuff like that. I didn't do that just for the fact that I just throw, like I always do in my reviews, I just throw the wig on. I want to show you guys how it looks out of the pack. But the quality is amazing. If you're somebody that loves customizing wigs, this would be perfect for you, like I said, to go ahead and cover this V part. Where the V part is, you guys are able to shift it over. I did shift it over to the side because I do like side parts on myself, and I'm able to go ahead and put the bang like this. But I just find it really cute. Perfect length. I feel like 18 to 20 inch hair is like the perfect length for wigs and hairstyles and everything like that. So if you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave it in the description box below. But just in general, I'll show you guys how long this is. It's 18 inch. This is 18 inches, you guys, and I'm obsessed. I just think this wig is super great quality. A great quality hair. I have no complaints at all. So here's the unboxing. It just comes in a little tan bag. So inside the package, it did come with these really cute 5D lashes, 100% handmade eyelashes. Super cute, you guys. So they always come with gifts. It comes with a weaving cap, which I really like this wig cap. We're gonna take the hair out. It's 18 inches. Okay, this is me taking the wig out of the netting and taking the paper out. And you guys, this is actually called a V-part wig. Now, this is the first time I've ever reviewed a V-part wig on my channel. I know you guys are familiar with U-part wigs. This is not that. This is actually called a V-part wig, which is like a new wig that they've came out with. And they said you do cut these straps right here. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So it does say that you're supposed to cut this, and then on the inside, as you guys see, it does have clips on the side that you're supposed to clip onto your head, and then you have like your leave out to cover it up. So for those of you that do like wearing leave out with your wigs to make it look more realistic, this would be perfect for you. But you guys see how it's constructed. There is a comb at the base, clips with combs right there, regular comb on the sides, as you can see over here, and then a comb at the bottom, and there is some lace at the bottom. Now this is the only lace that's in the wig. It is not a lace front. As you can see, it is just a V part, but they do have lace at the bottom if you guys want to do a high pony to make it look more realistic in the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold it up so you guys can see the quality of the hair. Again, this is 100% human hair. You guys, great quality. I'm absolutely loving this wig. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.